A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark. So today I'm going to show you on how you will be able to clean and relubricate your clutch cables. This is for my car, Hyundai Eon, but you can also do this to other types of vehicle. So right now I'm underneath the car. So you can also do this on the top, but you will need to remove the car batteries for easier access. I prefer here underneath the car because it's so much easier and you'll be able to see a lot. Okay, so first what we will do is we will clean the cable. All you need to do is just push up the rubber boot protector of the clutch cable and just spray it with a can of WD-40, maybe 3 to 5 quick spray, and then go back to the driver's side and pump up the clutch maybe 5 times, and then go back underneath the car. And if you have a penetrating oil or maybe a used oil, you can apply it by hand, put small amounts in your fingers and rub it on the cable. After doing this, go back to the driver's side and pump up the clutch again, maybe 5 to 10 times until the clutch feels lighter and softer. So repeat the process until you're satisfied with the pressure that you're getting from the clutch pedal. Maybe you can repeat the process 2 to 3 times. I'm pretty sure that the clutch pedal will feel really light and smooth. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good day.